Hello and welcome back to the Oven Cook. What I'm going to do today, I'm going to do some baked sea bass. I've got some whole fish. Some I've got two of them, they've already been gutted. So I'm just going to take these out and give them a little wash and all that good stuff. And I've got some obviously lemon, got some peppers, courgette, spring onions, olives, got some Hoisin sauce, soy sauce, some salt and pepper, tomatoes, garlic, dill, white wine vinegar, chives and some extra virgin olive oil. So I'm going to put this in the pan, prep all this up, and I'll be back very soon. Cheers! Okay, so in with this, we've got our, obviously our fish. A little bit of this is going inside here. So our chives, our dill, garlic, lemon, and all that good stuff. Get our pieces of lemon. Superb. Just going to give these a couple of slices in the skin. Get the rest of this all with lemon and all the good stuff and garlic and all that really nice stuff in here. Now in with these, I've got these nice little cherry tomatoes. These are just going to be scattered in here. Some nice green olives. Just a little bit of white wine vinegar over the top. So this is going to be a right pan of goodness. My other favourite herb, for the vegetables anyway, is oregano. Get a nice spray of olive oil over the top. Another little bit of salt. And some more black pepper. So yeah, this tray of goodness is going to go in the oven, around about 200 for about 15-20 minutes, and keep an eye on it. Then we're going to take it back out again, have a little look, and then put some parsley and basil herbs, which I've got in the out in the terrace. So that's all good. So we'll come back to that in a minute. So we get a couple of these onions, spring onions. Bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, not a great deal. So that's the rice done with the spring onions and salt and pepper. Yeah, so in this little dish is a bit of soy sauce, and we'll go for a little bit of Hoisin. Oh, lovely. Right. So that's them two bits. Superb. Get all this together. Lovely. Put it over there for a minute. Superb. That's all going to come off the bone lovely. So for the last, it's going to go back in for another 5 minutes. It's gone exactly how I wanted it anyway, because these little cherry tomatoes, obviously I want them to burst, and they've done that. That's hot. To release all the juices and everything. So yeah, I'm really pleased with that. So about another 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes, and then that'll be done. Yeah, it's looking a bit tasty to me. It smells absolutely lovely. And a little dip, in case they want it, Okay, so there we have it. We've got our baked sea bass, stuffed with some lemon, sliced lemon, some spring onions, some little bit of marinade with garlic and lemon juice, olive oil, and some. Did I say garlic? I said garlic. And roasted vegetables, little cherry tomatoes, courgettes, some roasted olives and peppers, and some parsley and basil, some rice with a little bit of chopped spring onion, salt and pepper, and a little bit of dip into there if you want it, with soy sauce and Hoisin sauce. So there we go. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it, and please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one and see what we come up with. Thank you very much, guys. Take it easy. Bye bye.